This is the one hot selling compartmentalized for camera. Wrap remote handle, full strong wheels. The wheels is made of injection molding by our factory. Bearings stainless steel, bearing steel, very strong. Auto air equalization valve, wrap handle with no fatigue. Catalog. Four is the open net. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is case. Very nice. Lead organizer. Zipper. We can customize for the zipper color and the mesh color, as well as mesh styling. This is divider for lens, camera, and other accessories. We can DIY. We can DIY the compartment by ourselves. Subdivider can be customized and DIY by ourselves. When we take out the divider, you can see it's very clean finish. Full length and very even hinge. High performance of watertight. This is a professional case for camera. It's very nice for photography and other video work.